The life of Moses was threatened in the palace of Pharaoh, and he fled Egypt to the land of the Canaanites. Before I will come to tell you what these people accomplished, let me reel out some of them for you. Jesus Christ, the mother took him on a flight to Egypt. George Washington fled from the British. Nelson Mandela before came to Igbo land, if you don't know, to stay before he went back. You know, one funny thing is that all these people I've mentioned, they all returned and claimed victory. And so shall I return, as I'm keep telling you I will return and I will claim victory. That's how it is. So when you think you are mocking yourselves, remember this very truth, that my path is following the paths of very great people that have gone before me. Now you understand it? So the life of Moses was threatened in the palace of Pharaoh, and he fled Egypt to the land of the Canaanites.
IPOB